Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss central government schemes as part of general awareness. Let us start. In which year Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was launched? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is 28th August 2014. So on 15th August 2014, it was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister. So this the main important thing of this scheme is financial inclusion. So under this scheme, zero balance bank accounts are opened. So as on 27 January 2021, 40.75 crore bank accounts has been opened. So remember this 40.75. This is very important because this is the recent data. And what are the benefits of this is you can avail all the financial services such as banking, saving and deposit, remittance, credit or loan you can say, insurance and pension. So all the direct benefit will be transferred to your account. And other benefits of the scheme is interest on deposit and accidental insurance on Rupee card was 1 lakh. It has been increased to 2 lakh now from the date 28/8/2018. Life insurance of rupees 30,000, and after the satisfactory operation, after a satisfactory operation of for 6 months, you can avail overdraft facility. So overdraft facility was 5,000. Now it has been increased to rupees 10,000, and no conditions for rupees 2,000 overdraft facility. And the age for overdraft facility, it was 18 to 60 years before. Now it has been increased to 80 to 65 years. Okay, we'll move to next question. What is the age limit for Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is 18 to 70 years of age. It was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 9th May 2015 in Kolkata. It is a accidental or death insurance for accident or fully disabled fully disability, insurance of 2 lakhs for partial disability, rupees 1 lakh, and the premium to be paid is rupees 12 per annum. Next question. What is the age limit for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is 18 to 50 years of age. This is a life insurance. It is launched by Prime Minister on 9th May 2015. The life insurance of rupees 2 lakh, and the premium to be paid is rupees 330 per annum. Next question. In which year Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana launched? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. 26th May 2017. It was launched by Finance Minister. And the age limit is 60 years and above. It is a pension scheme, and the maximum amount can be subscribed is 15 lakh rupees, and the policy period 10 years. It is implemented by LIC after completion of 3 years. Loan up to 75% of purchase price can be availed, and no GST on the amount. And the interest rate, every year they'll get interest rate, and the interest rate for the financial year 2020 to 2021 is 7.40, and this interest rate changes every year. Next question. In which year Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana launched? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is 1st May 2016. It was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 1st May 2016 in Balia, UP. And the tagline for this scheme is Swachh Indhan Behtar Jeevan. It is implemented by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. This can be availed only for BPL, that is below poverty line, with a financial assistance of rupees 1600 for LPG gas connection. Initially, it was targeted to reach 5 crore. Now it has been increased to 8 crore. In the financial year 2021, Finance Minister has increased 1 crore more to avail beneficiaries. So who can avail? Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, Antyodaya Anna Yojana, forest dwellers, SC/ST households, T and XT garden tribes, people residing in island or river island can avail this facility. The target is provide clean cooking fuel to poor household. Thank you. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub.